Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Tanner Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, if you were outside earlier this morning, you may have noticed a few flurries flying around, which is crazy to believe considering we had severe weather yesterday, and now winter is back in full force across much of the south after that strong cold front passed by. We now have chilly northwest flow that's bringing in much colder temperatures and even sparking a few light snow showers across the region even through this afternoon. Now, most of the snow at this point is to our north. It's light. It's not causing too many issues. But as far as us here in North Alabama, it's been a story of haves and have-nots. We have been stuck in the clouds in northeast and north central Alabama, but those of you farther northwest have had some clearing this afternoon. So it is a little bit warmer in Muscle Shoals as opposed to what we're seeing in Huntsville right now. Clouds beginning to break apart in Huntsville at this hour, but it's still cold. 41 degrees, and that wind is steady out of the north at 16 miles per hour, dropping wind chills down to the low 30s. We will continue to cool down this evening. The wind will lighten up this evening and overnight tonight, so not a huge issue with the wind chill overnight, but still it's going to be a cold night with temperatures eventually getting down to the 20s. This will be our coldest night of the week. Forecast low of 24 in Rainsville, 23 in Mentone, down to 25 in Scottsboro, 26 the forecast low in Huntsville, 24 in Athens, more mid-20s in northwest Alabama, including 25 in Town Creek, as well as in Moulton, and down to 26 overnight tonight in Cherokee. Here's how your day looks on Saturday. We're going to have a lot of sunshine, and that will help our temperatures climb quite a bit higher than what we have seen today. We're in the 30s early in the morning, should climb to the upper 40s by lunchtime. We'll spend most of the afternoon in the low to mid 50s, and the wind will be rather light tomorrow, so that will not be an issue for us during the day tomorrow either. High temperatures in the 50s across the board. 56 in Fort Payne, up to 56 in Decatur. Lawrenceburg climbing to 54 degrees. Sunday will be the warmer of the two weekend days. Many of us, in fact, pretty much all of us, are forecast to climb to the low and possibly even the mid 60s to close out the weekend. Here's a look at future radar for this weekend. We are going to stay dry from Saturday through Sunday. The only chance that maybe a sprinkle or two will be on Saturday night, but other than that, smooth sailing. A bit of cloud cover passing through overnight on Saturday and partly cloudy skies on Sunday, but certainly no rain to worry about through the entire weekend and probably through next Monday as well. Now, the big change to the forecast is next week it is looking awfully warm, and it's because of the jet stream situation. Jet streams usually separates warm air masses from cold air masses, and the cold air is going to stay trapped well to our north and west most of next week. So we are looking at even warmer temperatures next week than what we saw this week. Forecast high Wednesday, 79 degrees, and we could get to 80 degrees for the first time this year on next Thursday, and that will be awfully close to a record high for this time of the year. Here's the whole 7-day forecast. Along with that warmth will come periodic rounds of rain and maybe occasional thunderstorms. Right now, it does not look like we have a high threat for severe weather, but stay tuned to Way 31 if that changes. Best chances of rain right now looks to be on next Tuesday. Otherwise, we will stay warm for the majority of next week.